In manufacturing, artificial intelligence isn't a future concept anymore. It's already influencing how products are planned, built, and maintained. The real question isn't whether AI can deliver value. It's whether manufacturers are ready to trust it with decisions that keep operations moving. To understand what AI really looks like on the manufacturing floor, let's start with a situation many organizations are facing today. A manufacturer sees demand signals shifting faster than planning cycles can keep up. Inventory levels are either too high or not where they're needed. At the same time, quality teams are catching defects too late, and maintenance crews are still reacting to breakdowns instead of preventing them. The data is there: supplier inputs, sensor readings, inspection images, but it's scattered across systems and partners. AI promises answers, better forecasts, earlier warnings, smarter maintenance. But without the right data foundations and governance, those models can just as easily amplify noise instead of insight. AI in manufacturing succeeds or fails long before the algorithm runs. That's why manufacturers are taking a more disciplined approach to how AI is applied across operations. So let's talk shop and hear from the team working with manufacturers every day.
AI-powered forecasting can dramatically improve inventory and production planning, but only if the inputs are trustworthy. Manufacturers are pulling in outside data from suppliers, logistics partners, and market signals, which makes governance critical. Clear data sharing agreements, quality standards, and scenario modeling helps ensure AI strengthens supply chain resilience rather than introducing new risk.
Computer vision and machine learning are transforming quality inspection, catching defects in real time during the manufacturing process instead of after the fact. But in order to maximize reliability, these systems need to be tuned to the realities of manufacturing. Different materials, lighting conditions, and defect patterns all impact AI models. And when AI inspection is integrated with MES and QMS systems, it can enable automated decisions, traceability, and ultimately faster response on the factory floor.
Predictive maintenance is one of the cleanest value cases for AI, reducing unplanned downtime and extending asset life. The challenge is training models on diverse equipment, sensors, and even operating conditions. Strong data integration and governance ensures predictions are accurate, reliable, and actionable. So maintenance becomes proactive versus reactive.
AI is already reshaping manufacturing, but real impact comes when models are grounded in quality data, operational context, and governance. For more insights from the manufacturing floor, visit bdo.com/BDO Talks Shop.